deep breath. Okay, you want to do clap, 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 Kavya? Good. Clap, clap, clap. Good job.
I can't hear you. Can you please talk louder? Hi!
Hi. Kavya, do you know where we're going?
Somewhere.
Somewhere. So we'll put a flight plan here, don't worry. Okay? Then you will know for sure.
Where we're going.
Yeah. But you need to keep it as a secret though.
Okay, I promise I won't tell Ron.
Okay.
Roar. Roar what? Roar, I'm a dinosaur.
Oh no. Kavya, now we're gonna do the run-up, okay?
Okay, brakes.
Okay, brakes, yeah.
Fuel proper tank.
Yes, fuel proper tank.
Trim takeoff.
Okay, good job. Wait a minute. I need to make sure, yeah, trim is takeoff.
Flight controls.
PG clearance, Cirrus 892 Kilo Charlie, information Sierra, pick up clearance to San Andreas. Number 892
Okay,
Kilo Charlie, P3 ground, give me 1 second, I'm gonna amend your time.
Okay, let's do it. RPM.
Mixture best power.
Hang on. We need to go get the RPM to 1800.
Bags. Test.
Wait. You gotta wait until Appa finishes that check before you can go on to the next one, okay?
Alright, perfect, appreciate that.
Can you
Let me
read
know
that?
when you're ready to text. Roll code.
Oh, Hilton.
Yeah. That's Hilton Head Island, Bangaru.
Oh, so we're going to Hilton Head Island.
Yes.
Does island have, like, swimming pools?
Yes. Ground Grumman 6 Romeo Delta run-up complete.
Number 6 Romeo Delta, follow the Cirrus out of the run-up, runway 3 left, monitor tower.
3 left monitor tower, follow the Cirrus 6 Romeo Delta. Kavya, there's a lot of airplanes are landing, so that's why we're still holding. You wanna see it? Look out there. So that's where the airplanes are landing.
Oh. Look at that big one that's about to touch the ground.
Yeah.
Grumman American 66 Romeo Delta, Peachtree Tower. Wind 290 at Niner. Fly runway heading. Runway 3 left, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading for November 66 Romeo Delta, runway 3 left, clear for takeoff.
A27 Sierra Charlie. 45635, Peachtree Tower, pull up just a little bit more to clear that one. Grumman American 6 Romeo Delta, runway heading, Contact land parts 2.
Runway heading, contact Plana 6 Romeo Delta. Plana Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, departed PDK, runway heading, climbing to 3000.
For 66 Romeo Delta, departure, climb and maintain 5000, ident.
5000 and ident for 6 Romeo Delta.
For 66 Romeo Delta, ident is over to contact a mile northeast of PDK, turn right, heading 090.
Right to the east, 6 Romeo Delta.
Number 66 Romeo Delta, proceed direct Hilton Head.
Very direct to Hilton Head. Just be advised, I'm having some avionics issues. I would like to go VFR to 5500 6 Romeo Delta.
Number 66 Romeo Delta, I'm really busy. You want to cancel your IFR?
Yeah, we'll good luck, cancel the IFR and get a flight flying to Hilton Head 6 Romeo Delta.
For 66 Romeo Delta, IFR cancellation received, maintain VFR. And you're clearing the Bravo, maintain VFR 5500.
VFR 5500 for 6 Romeo Delta, thank you.
Down to 4008, Delta Mike.
This is 922, traffic 12 o'clock, 3 miles southeastbound, VFR 5500, Grumman Tiger.
92 looking.
For 66 Romeo Delta, traffic 3 o'clock, 3 miles northwestbound at 6000 is a citation.
6 Romeo Delta, we're looking for the traffic. I think we'll have the traffic inside 6 Romeo Delta.
6 Romeo Delta, your assigned altitude is 5500. Your altitude indicates 5700.
TCAS alright, exit 922.
Descending to 5500, 6 Romeo Delta.
For 66 Romeo Delta, when I give you an assigned altitude, you need to maintain that altitude.
I apologize, I'm having issues with my avionics today.
66 Romeo Delta, contact approach 132.47.
3247, 6 Romeo Delta, thank you. No, it was busy. Having some issues with the G5s again. My headaches are all off. There is no agreement between each of the devices. So I canceled IFR and going VFR today. So not only that, my autopilot is also pretty much enough. Pretty bumpy here. Struggling to maintain altitude. Trying to keep the RPM up because we're still in a break-in period for the cylinder, so I want to be too low of an RPM. But other than that, everything is A-okay. So I went VFR just for that reason. I want to be fiddling with this on an IFR flight plan, but I'm still on a flight following, so the controller did not like what I was doing. It was just a movement and it was off by a couple of 100 feet and there was a traffic alert. It's sometimes it's just a lot of stuff happening. I'm glad I'm not in IFR on instrument conditions. So going forward, I don't know if I can confidently use this airplane to take my family. Just because of all this G5s, I just can't confidently go. It's an IMC. I would be careful with that. Thought I had it figured out, but no. Anyway, more lessons learned. Probably gonna be looking at other aircraft. Probably time to upgrade anyway for me. As my family is growing, or my kids are growing, I should say. So this aircraft is still awesome just for me, myself to go places with the family. It's a little challenging. The thing with the bumpiness, at least I'm in a tailwind. I'm doing 154 knots of ground speed, 20 knots of tailwind behind me, so which I take it. So we are headed to Hilton Head. I was really busy earlier. I couldn't really talk much to the camera. I was aviating, navigating and trying to communicate. So we should be landing in about 30 or 40 minutes. But anyway, it looks like my kids are asleep, so that's good.
5960, November 66 Romeo Delta, contact Atlanta Center, 127.905. Good day.
27.905 for 6 Romeo Delta, have a good day. Atlanta Center, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, level 5500.
There 66 Romeo Delta, Atlanta Center, I guess altimeter 29904.
29904, 6 Romeo Delta. So this is our first family vacation in about 6 months in the airplane. Back to annual, came back and we had an issue with the cylinder. So now we're in the process of breaking in. So my RPMs are ranging anywhere between 26 to 2700. I need to be supposed to be maintaining around 2680 RPM. That's falling onto the problem. So good thing is just VFR.
Over 66 Romeo Delta, contact Savannah approach 125.3.
125.3 for 6 Romeo Delta. Approach 6 Romeo Delta. Would like to start our VFR descent.
Who wants to start descent? 6 Romeo Delta?
6 Romeo Delta would like to descend to 3000, sir.
6 Romeo Delta, VFR altitude, your discretion.
6 Romeo.
6 Romeo Delta, advising you have Hilton Head in sight. X-rays current, I can read it to you if you need it.
I have the X-ray 6 Romeo. I don't have the airport yet.
Okay, just let me know when you feel. Don't rush at all.
Thank you, 6 Romeo. Make sure fuel pump on, lights on, strobes on.
6 Romeo Delta, Hilton Head, 12 o'clock, about 4 miles.
We have the airport inside. We'll go ahead and switch to the tower.
6 Romeo Delta, radar services terminate, squawk VFR, contact Hilton Head Tower 118.97.
Contact Tower 6 Romeo, thanks for your help. Tower Grumman 66 Romeo Delta with you descending from 1500.
Number 66 Romeo Delta, Hilton Head Tower, no radar services here. What's your current position?
We are about 3 miles northwest, northwest of 6 Romeo Delta.
November 6 Romeo Delta, runway 21, clear to land.
21 clear to land, 6 Romeo Delta.
November 6 Romeo Delta, Alpha to the ramp with me.
Alpha to the ramp with you, 6 Romeo Delta.